Hello everyone. Today we'll take the overview of a module that I have created, the Amazon reports. The Amazon reports are like for the FBA, like these are some common reports that we can generate through that application that we have developed in Flask. Okay, so this is the Postman collection where we have some orders. You can see there is the order uh, request. So here we have to pass the credentials, then we have to pass the report type, then we have to pass the marketplace start date and end date of data you want to query. All right, so it will give you a JSON report. So same as the other thing, like we have FBA storage fee and all of these are similar, just we have changed the report type. All right, so it's generic, and we can also change the marketplace, we can change the credentials and query for other accounts. So it's very dynamic module that we have developed in Python for extracting the reports of Amazon SP API. And you can also get more reports because there are a lot of type of other Amazon reports. So let me show you. uh, so Here we have a lot of type of reports: analytics, inventory, order, return, performance, settlement, fulfillment, tax, invoice data, all of that Amazon reports that we can generate through that application. All right, so these are like 8 or 9 reports that I have like required for my client. So I just write in the Postman collection. So let's move to the code part. Uh, Here we have the complete Flask application. From the beginning, we import some modules that we are required for this application. These are some common modules, and this is the Flask modules. And then we have some SPAPI package modules that we are importing the reports, the processing status, the selling API request throttle exception, marketplace, and we use the gzip to extract the data from reports, and we have requests as well. So we are starting the app Flask, then we are creating the dictionary for the marketplaces, and then we have the two methods, one for the 24 hours ago and one for the 60 days ago. So some reports used to the 24 hours ago, like we can only query the 24 hours ago data, and some reports are able to query last 60 days. And then we have some SKU report, and this method is responsible for creating the complete report. We are passing the credentials here, report type, marketplace, start date and end date as well. So we are like creating the report instance, and then we are creating the report according to the our requirement. And here we are getting the response. If we are response is not none, uh, sorry, it's none, then we are like again check multiple times the report is none or not. Like if it is not none, then that means we get some response. So when we get the response and check the processing status, if it is done, then we are parsing the report by first we get the report from the URL, because Amazon return us report URL. Then we just get the URL and extract the data from that URL, and load that data into get response. And if we get the report data, or there also we have entered the failure exception handler. Like if our API is throttle, or our processing status would be in fatal or cancelled, so we just log that it's failed or move to next. So report data, and if the report data is not none, then we get the report data from the API response, and then we were get the like here we are like getting the URL, and we get the response data from that. And here we are checking the some reports return type, like some are the gzip or some are the flat type file, some are the csv, some are the xml or these kind of files. So here we have parsing those types of uh, reports, the data type. So if we have CSV, flat tile, like the tab indexed file or any other type of file, so we will just extract them. And then we have this is the method that is used for the get the report data, and it will return the JSON data from the file. So now we have an endpoint where we have to post the data. So this endpoint is the generate report, and it's the post method. Uh, so here we are parsing the JSON data from the body. Then we are parsing these required parameters. Then we pass those parameters into the get_sku report and get the result JSON. So if we get the JSON result, so we just like return it. So that was the our complete Flask application. Hope so it will be helpful to you. So I will add the code repo in the description, so if anyone need it, you can access it. Those are the required uh, modules that we have to install in Python. So yeah, thank you very much.